So we got our button, and apparently one of them is kind of okay, got a couple scratches, so I'm not that worried about it. One, the open roof, is basically one that messed up completely. Gear lever cover, just from the front, 2 fingers up. Then from inside, just press and push on the rubber or the leather boot for the gear lever. Pop that back down, open the glove box, and kind of you can see it's shifting up and down. Simply pull it from one perspective and it slides out. First one is going to be parking brakes. Push from the side, pull it down. Next one is sport button and traction off. Just pull it out. And the last one is going to be heated seats and the roof operation buttons. Got a tab right here, so you gotta press it down and pull it out. And now remove the trim. So at the bottom we don't have any screws, and that's going to be pushed up, so we simply go through those pins, and the one side is going to be easy, the other side is going to be a little bit tougher. Okay, like so. The next one is going to be decorative plate, which has a little bit of that silver-ish nice, and you simply go with the pin tool, undoing those guys, doing the same with the other side. Might just pop out. For the button itself, it just clamps on the one side, so you wanted to push it from underneath, kind of lever it, and it clicks out, and you just pull it kind of out. So it has 2 feet that is kind of edged. They're gonna hook on one spot, and you're gonna press the new button, make sure it's where it's supposed to be, clamps on, test it out, it does work. Now we're getting it back, clicks right in, make sure everything is as it should be. Permanent Sharpie that you probably haven't already, worth less than $20 compared to the button. For example, the button you have to wait at least 2 to 3 weeks because it's coming from China. But beside that, I'm happy with the results. As you can see, the seat heat buttons are start disintegrating as well, so I'm gonna try to do that in the future. But as far for right now, I'm happy with the results, and we are done for today.